Crews work to protect structures in Glacier National Park this summer. Rebuilding efforts are underway for the historic Sperry Chalet, which burned almost a year ago in the Sprague fire.
The loss of the Sperry Chalet was felt all across the state, and since then many individuals and organizations have pitched in to get that rebuilding process started.
MTN's Connor McCauley takes us to Victor, where one Bitterroot Valley company is helping support the next phase of the project.
Construction on the new Sperry Chalet has begun, about 300 miles south of the chalet's location at Pioneer Log Home Company in Victor.
It's really exciting. When we realized that we had this opportunity, we were all very eager to participate, and we were very fortunate that Dick Anderson Construction chose us to be one of the partners.
The obvious joke to make here is these aren't your average Lincoln logs, but really these aren't your average logs, period.
We have crafted the second floor joists, which are the ceiling of the first floor, and we were waiting for the steel to show up that will stiffen up the entire structure and make it last for a long time.
These steel reinforced logs are at the request of project engineers and are aimed to make a more stable structure year-round.
The new system that's being built now adheres to new engineering standards. It's safe, it's designed for commercial codes, it's designed as a commercial building, and it'll last for generations to come.
It's a special project with unique challenges, but this construction crew is prepared for the task at hand and has the experience and expertise to pull it off.
This crew is the tops. Nobody could do this but these guys, in my opinion. They're crafting everything exactly. Every piece of wood fits and go together for on-site construction management.
Most of the fabrication work will be done here in Victor, but at some point something's going to have to get these 400-pound logs up into the air and to their resting place in Glacier National Park to rebuild Sperry Chalet.
The helicopter has a load limit on what they can lift and swing into place, obviously. And these pieces are very heavy with these 3/4 inch thick steel bars that are placed in a lot of the structural members. So we're packaging them up into smaller pieces of bundles of about 1,000 pounds per load.
Which means Sperry Chalet will be built about a half-ton at a time. In Victor, Connor McCauley, MTN News.
A different helicopter could be used to carry more weight up to the chalet from the staging site in Nyack, but most helicopters in the area are being used to fight fires in the region.